What's up, everyone? It's D1 Only King J, and I'm back at it with a new video. In this video, we're gonna be talking about our decisions. All right, our decisions. I'm at a point. I'm at a point in time in my life where I feel like, and not just feel like, I know I gotta make better decisions. I stopped making temporary decisions. Like right now, I'm at a point in time in my life where I gotta make decisions like for like 5 years ahead, 10 years ahead. Can't be making the same decisions every time. All right, I change every single day. People need to delete the old version of myself that they have in their head. I am not the same me. I make better decisions. I change every single day. With that being said, yes, I'm gonna turn you down to a lot of whether it's events or whatever it is, because guess what? I gotta start thinking about my wife now. Like, I'm about to be 21. Nah, wife is crazy, but yeah, I gotta think about where I'll be in 5 years, 10 years. Ain't no point in me making temporary decisions. I'm getting older, I'm getting wiser, smarter. I gotta make better decisions. And to anyone out here who can't make decisions of their own, who always rolling with the crowd, look, if deep down you feel like, okay, it's not my time to do this, I gotta do something else, always do that. Always act on it, because at the end of the day, it's gonna benefit you in the long run, long term. You know what I mean? So always make better decisions. That's gonna impact your life for the better. Thanks for tuning in. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'm out.